fundamentals of chemistry. Now we discuss about atomic structure. Atomic structures depends on fundamental particles of electron, proton and neutron. These fundamental particles are three fundamental particles. One is negative charged particles of electron. Second one is positive charged particles of proton. And third one, neutral charge of neutrons present in an atom. An atom is very smallest particles, says by John Dalton. If an atom size also very small, John Dalton proposed atomic theory to explain the nature of atoms. Atoms are smallest particles present in matter and take part in chemical reaction. The fundamental particles like electron, proton and neutrons present in atoms. Atoms are the smallest particles of matter. Atoms make up everything around us. Molecules are a combination of atoms. Elements are only one type of atoms. Compounds are made of different type of atoms. Atoms combine together to form molecules through chemical bond. Chemical bonds may be formed by transfer of electrons or sharing of electrons. Atoms are ions, loss or gain electrons during chemical reactions. Losing of electrons is called oxidation and gaining of electrons is called reduction. Atoms are so small that it is impractical to use grams. Instead, atoms are measured into atomic mass units. It is weight in AMU, atomic mass units. Atom made fundamental particles of neutrons, protons and electrons. The central part of an atom is called nucleus. In nucleus present positive charged particle of protons and neutral charge of neutrons present on central part of an atom. The electrons have negative charge, protons have positive charge. Atom is held together by attraction of electrons and protons. Neutrons are neutral charge. Protons, electrons and neutrons charges. Proton positive charge, neutron neutral charge, electron negative charge. Characteristics of fundamental particles of electrons. Electrons was discovered by electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electrons is light particles and also called beta particles. The name electrons were given by G.J. Stoney. The charge on electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 90 coulombs or minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESC. The mass of electron was calculated by J.J. Thomson and found to be 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams or 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilograms or 0.00054 AMU atomic mass units. The specific charge of electrons was determined by J.J. Thomson and its value is 1.75 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kilogram. The ratio is independent of nature of gas and nature of electrodes. The mass of 1 mole of electrons is 0.55 milligrams. 0.55 milligrams. 1 mole of electrons is 96,500 coulombs charge. Protons. Protons were discovered by Goldstein. Protons were discovered by Goldstein. Charge on proton plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs or plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU electrostatic units. Mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams or 1.00727 AMU. The specific charge on proton is 9.5 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb per kilograms. Mass of 1 mole of protons is 1.007 grams and charge of 1 mole of protons is 96,500 coulombs. Neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick. James Chadwick. The reason for late discovery of neutrons is due to neutral charge. We have neutral charge. The mass of neutrons is slightly higher than proton. Its value is 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms or 1.00867 am. Specific charge of neutron is 0. The mass of 1 mole of neutron is 1.008 neutrons is heaviest and least stable particle among fundamental particles. The fundamental particles of electron, proton and neutrons. Electron charge 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilograms. Mass 0.00055 AMU. Generally we write down -1. Proton 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. 1.00728 AMU. Generally we write down +1. Neutron charge 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 coulombs. 1.00728 AMU. Neutron charge have neutral charge we write down 0. The fundamental particles of protons and neutrons present in central part of an atom is called nucleus. So these nucleons are protons and neutrons. Remaining particles of electrons present in circular path of orbit. In orbit present negative charged particles of electrons. The total charge on nucleus is always equal to the total charge on electrons and atom. These are discussing about fundamental particles of electrons, protons and neutrons. Thank you.